on. As you heard, the lawnmower is not running quite right. This is these little plastic carburetors. You've seen a lot of these little Briggs Strattons, 3.5 and up. And the best way to take care of this is just replace it with some a new gasket set. There's all kinds of them out there on Amazon, anywhere from $5 to $10, next to nothing. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and tear this carburetor off, and we're going to pop a new set in. Okay, again, just go over to Amazon, where I buy a lot of my stuff, as you've seen in a lot of my videos. Just type in Briggs Stratton Carburetor Rebuild Kit, and just scroll down until you find your carburetor. One of the things that I noticed here is you can buy the carburetor, a filter, new bolts, the primer bulb, everything that you need to rebuild this for 15 bucks. Well, my carburetor is okay. Generally, all I need is the gaskets itself. Here's one right here. It comes with a new spring and a new screen. You know, $6, $5.54 for that. And you just kind of keep coming down here. Here's another one here, $5, the filter, plug, primer bulb, everything that you need, the diaphragm and everything. So that's basically what I do. I'm familiar with this type of carburetor, so I know this is the one that I need for that. So going over there and pick one up. Now there's not a whole lot to this. First thing we want to do is remove the air cleaner. Just a regular screwdriver. Get that out of the way. And you're going to have some linkage in. You just need to pay attention on how that linkage is all set up. We're going to worry about that after we loosen up the carburetor. So you have a 1/2 inch bolt here. Have a 3/8 on the front. All right, and you should be able to just kind of pull that out there very easy. All right, and when you do this, you got to make sure that you put this linkage back in the right hole. Pay attention to everything that you disconnect, and just set that tank down ever so slightly, and you should be able to just pull that linkage right out of there. Just like that, all right? And this one was on that first hole on the side here. Okay, now let's take this over to our workbench. Just kind of doing this on my tailgate. Got some PB Blaster, and I got some rubber gloves. Normally what I would do is I would take this tank and I'd put it in my parts washer, and I'd clean it all up, but I'm not going to have that opportunity to do it this time. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Phillips screws we need to take out. Go ahead and slowly lift that out of there. Set your tank off to the side. I'm just going to kind of flip that up and get my screws to fall out. Okay, so you want to pay close attention on which way these gaskets go. The kit comes with 2 of them. So you want to open it up, and you want to pay close attention to which way they go, and obviously if they are the right one. So let's go ahead and remove the old one. Now while we have this all apart, don't lose this little spring. That should stay there. I'm just going to take some PB Blaster, and I'm just going to kind of spray into all the different orifices to possibly clean anything out that might have been stuck in there as well. Just take some paper towel and just kind of wipe that down. I'm kind of concentrating on the edges here because I don't want any dirt to fall in on where the gasket's going to go. Alright, and we're going to do the same thing with the tank. Just going to kind of spray some around there a little bit. Let's go ahead and put our new gasket on. Just like that. carefully install it back onto the tank. All right, let's go ahead and reassemble it. Now all we're going to do is reverse the process. So remember the linkage there. It has to go down that one right there. It's real easy. It'll slip right in. Go ahead and slide the tank on. Line everything up. Okay, let's go ahead and try unrehearsed. Prime it. There we go. Well, there it is. Not a lot to it. I think it took me maybe 5 minutes to put that new kit in, so nothing to it. You can do this, save yourself a lot of money. If I was home and I was in my shop where I could have taken the tank and put that in my parts cleaner, I would have. Other than that, I would not have done anything different. So good luck with your mower, and thanks for watching.